Okay, good day guys. How have you guys been? So today we'll be talking about, I'll be teaching you how to download a Sentinel satellite imagery. Sentinel 2 satellite imagery. So before we start, please help me subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. That's what you can do. That will help me, that will encourage me to keep doing more and more of these videos. Thank you very much. So you come to your Chrome and search for Copernicus Sentinel. You can see, you click on it. So you can see Sentinel 2 as the first option. So click on that Sentinel to make sure this Copernicus Data Space Ecosystem. So you click on it. Click on Sentinel 2. Good. So you can see this Explore Sentinel 2 data. You can see down here, Explore Sentinel 2. Click on it. Good. So come down to, you can see visualize and search here. So but first thing, you can see that I've logged in already. You can see my name there, Isaac Alabi. I've logged in already. So if this is the first time you are coming into this page, you have to create an account if you do not have any accounts before. So you have to create an account first. So when you log in, then you'll be able to access every data here fully. So make sure you create an account first. Thank you very much. So you click on this search. You can see Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2, 3, 5P6. So we are dealing with Sentinel 2. So click on it, Sentinel 2. Then you can see this cloud cover here. This cloud 100%. Reduce it to, let me reduce mine to 5%. 5%. Good. So scroll down. So before we do that, let's search for where, let's navigate to where we want to get the imagery. So let's say Nigeria. You can see this search bar here. Search bar Nigeria. You can say okay, click on Nigeria. Good. We are now in Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria. So let's see, we are dealing with Ondo State. Let's just imagine. So you can come to this right side here. You can see this polygon. Create an area of interest. You click on it. You click on this. But in case you have any shapefile that you want to just clip out the shapefile, you can click on this download, upload a file to create an area of interest. But if you know that you do not have a shapefile, you can just use a polygon rectangle. So I will have to just left click, then drag. Don't drag, just move your mouse. Good. So this is our area of interest. So now come back here and change the time to this time range. So let me assume that I need the imagery for 2020. So let me change this from, click on it here, then scroll down. You can see here, change the year from 2026 to 2020. Let me just pick 2 and pick one day 2. Good. So then until, okay, good, 2026, just edit to your the particular work you want to do. So click on search. So this might take a little time. you can monitor how it is downloading here. You can see now, look at this line here. You can see 40%, 41%, 42%. So you monitor it here. So when it's done, then you open, you can now save it to any folder on your PC. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing more of these my videos. Thank you very much, guys. God bless.